Hello, visitors of the 𝗙cie 2019. Welcome aboard. My name's 𝗙cie, and I'm the president of WITTMANN USA. And I'm pleased to accompany you folks this week as a tour guide. We'll be interviewing some of our technology experts on different things that we've brought up to the show. We've got two booths. I want to make sure you can get by each of them. We have the WITTMANN booth with over 8 work cells, an injection molding shop that's actually performing in Hall 15 C06. Also Hall 10 A04. We have another booth, the Whitman Auxiliaries booth. We also have some live working equipment there. Industry 4.0 plug-in producers on display. And I want to make sure you know our tagline this year has been enjoy innovations. It's a great way for us to celebrate with our customers and have a lot of fun, as we are a fun company. You know that the 𝗙cie, the big theme of this show, has to do with circular economy, recycling, and sustainability. We have some really cool things you're going to find this week, and some developments we've done, some partnerships and whatnot that we're going to show you that are very much involving sustainability. So let's have a great show, and remember one thing: enjoy innovation. Thank you.